The story starts with me buying a new product from Anchor. It was Soundcore speaker bar, and I using basically for my PC. But after a while of using this amazing product and the quality of the sound encouraged me more and more to buy another product. So I bought a new AirPod from Soundcore, and it was more magnificent product, pushing me more and more confident about this brand. So I bought Anchor charger, 200 watt, using basically for two laptops at the same time to charge all my carriage. And after that, I had more confidence to buy Soundcore Space Q45 headset, and it was amazing. But it's make me disappointed because it's starting making cracks in the arms, and these cracks increases and increases. And however I used a super glue, wasn't work. This amazing product disappointed me for first time. But I didn't stop here. So I started to design an idea to solve this problem, or at least to save my product. So I designed this support, and I had a time to test it. And by the way, I used Anchor Make for printing these designs as a 3D printer I have. I think that's Anchor colonizing my mind. So I made the first prototype and I used it, and it was a good, but it's not enough because it was a small piece, and I gathered two pieces together and glued it. And I made the second prototype, and it was also not enough because the curvatures, it's not fit with the same curves degree of the arms. It will be supporting this arms to not make it moving and protect it from making more cracks. So I start make more designs till I made the last design for the support. I used the black color, and also I painted the brand on the design to be shiny with the silver color too. I will leave this design for anyone suffered from the same issue, might be helping himself using the same method and the same supports.